Are we making a double batch?
Pour it in. It'll be one at a time, but yeah. All the way in? Okay. We're gonna make one more. No, we're not ready to mix yet. We gotta get all the ingredients into the bowls, okay? Okay, here you go. Dump that one in. Push, 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 push. Okay, Daddy's turn. Push. Pour in there. Okay, push again. Push, 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 push. Good job. Right. So, here's that. Pour it in. It's going to be in one big piece. Oof, good job.
Big piece.
Okay. We're going to mix here in a second. All right, we need a little bit of baking soda. Now, we're going to need some vanilla. So let's get the little spoon. Can you hold that right here?
Yeah.
Hold the spoon. Spoon over the bowl, please. Right like this. Okay, so we're gonna fill this up. Once. Dump. Okay, I'm gonna fill it up again. Hold it level. Hold it even. There we go. Again. Okay, I'm gonna fill it up. And then you can dump it in, okay? Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, dump it in. All of it. There's still a little bit left. Okay. Okay, we're gonna mix. Let Daddy hold it. Put your hand here. You ready to go? 1, 2, 3. It can get a little bit loud, don't worry. All right, we're gonna add one more egg. Can you grab the little one again? This one right here. Can you hold it right here? Ian, come here. Look, hold it. Hold the cup. Okay, now Daddy's gonna pour some in, and then we're gonna dump it in the big bowl, okay? Okay, dump. It's not going to be too loud. Here. You want to do it? Okay. All right, now here comes the fun part. You're going to take this scooper and get some of that. Get some of that, scoop it up. Put it in there. Okay, one more. Okay, now we're gonna mix some. Okay, put in another one. Okay, keep going. Oh no. Yeah, that will be.
Oh my goodness.
All right, Ian, put in another one, please.
Murphy, come here.
Be careful. Okay.
Is that going to mess up the portions?
No, it's not a whole lot went on the floor. All right, add some more. Actually, you know what? Here, let Daddy see. Here, you want to put the whole thing in?
Yeah.
All right, dump it out. All right, hit the top, get it all out. All right, perfect. You want to help Daddy mix?
Yeah.
Okay, put your hand in here.
Is it what's the sugar?
All right, let Daddy have it, please.
Look it. Don't put your fingers in, baby.
All right, you want to taste?
Yeah?
Okay.
No, I don't want taste.
You don't know what you're missing.
All right. Hold on. Hold on.
Daddy.
All right. Now we're gonna add the chocolate chips. Do you want to eat a couple of chocolate chips?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna cut open the bottom.
We gotta open it up.
Look, the chocolate chips are right here. Ian, look. Can you dump them in?
Yeah?
Got them all out. Got them all out.
Chocolate.
Okay. You want to eat a couple?
Yeah.
Go ahead, eat a couple. Daddy'll eat one too. All right. You want to mix?
Yeah.
Mix. Here. Give me your hand. All right. Keep going. All right. Daddy's turn.
Let him try again.
All right. Ian, mix.
try.
Ian, mix, please.
Walk. Go. Good night,
All right, Ian. Are you ready to go pan out the cookies?
Nah. Cookie Monster. It's a Cookie Monster.
Are you a cookie monster?
Daddy, it's a Cookie Monster.
Yeah.
Bucko. Boo, boo, boo. Oh, Daddy.
Ian, you have a spoon.
You want to help?
My soul. Mom, Dad, I want my soul.
Going in the oven. You ready?
Yeah.
In here. Get the paper. Hold on to the paper and go.
I got it.
All right.
Got it.
Get the other one, please.
Quack. I got it.
Good job. Okay. You ready to help do the dry ingredients?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna need. Put that right here. Put that right here. I need the clear one. Okay. So we're gonna hold that right there until Daddy fills it up. Okay. Okay. Pour this in, please, into the clear one. Okay. Okay, that's one. We're gonna do one more.
I'm hungry of a mobile pimpana at
Okay, hold this right here. Hold it, hold it. Okay, pour it in. All right, now, Daddy will do the baking soda. Wait. All right, Ian, can you stir that up a little bit? Perfect. Okay. All right, now we're gonna do sugar. This is ready. We're gonna set that up here. We're gonna do some sugar. Not ready. Okay, it's ready. Good job. All right, you remember how to do this part? No, not that, like this part right here.
Yeah.
You remember what to do?
Yeah.
What do you do?
Pushing.
Push. Okay. Push again. Push. Okay, Daddy's gonna do one and then it'll be ready to go, okay? Okay, go ahead, put it in. It's kind of heavy.
Is it gonna be big one?
Good job.
Is that bowl gonna be big enough?
Is it big one?
Should be fine, I think. Wait. Now we gotta do the vanilla. So hold this.
Okay. There's vanilla.
Pour. 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 All right, I think it's ready. You want to help Daddy mix a little?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the mixer. Stick that in there. No, don't press that. All right. Hold on, let Daddy have it, please.
That's very fast.
Okay, now we need to do the eggs. Take that. Wait. No. I need that. Hold that over. Okay, pour it in. Make sure all the drops are out. Okay, we're gonna mix it a little.
I'm mixing very fast.
Okay, we need one more cup, one more egg. So get your thing. No, get your thing. Okay, hold it over. No, don't touch the mixer. Hold it over here, all the way in the middle. Okay, pour it in. Wait, we're not ready to mix. Make sure all the drops are out of the yellow one. Ian, make sure all the drops are out. Okay. Press it again. Here, let Daddy do it, let Daddy do it. Ian, All right. Here's your cup. Ian, don't touch. I need some powder. Can you give me some? Be careful not to spill. Okay. Do one more. Okay, I need more.
Oh, I'm gonna get white on my butt, aren't I?
Okay, go ahead, one more. All right, we're gonna mix. All right, now dump the whole thing in. Good job. All right, you want to help mix this one?
Yeah.
Nope, not that button. Not that button.
Bye.
You want me to take them out?
Nope, I need to see them. What are those?
Cookies.
Cookies? Or did you help Daddy make those?
Yeah.
Are they going to be delicious?
Yeah.
Okay. They're almost ready. They're not quite golden brown, but they're getting pretty close. So, remember the oven's very hot. So, you gotta wait for Daddy. You wanna watch him cook for a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, Daddy's not done. Those look really good. I'm making a lot of cookies. Don't touch.
Ian, this is very hot. Go back to the step, please.
They're
Some of them need to come off quickly.
Bud, you want to lick?
You spent all that time helping Daddy to bake cookies.
Okay.
Do you want a cookie?
Yeah.
Okay. Come here. Go sit on the steps. Sit up here. Sit up.
Murphy.
Sit down. There is your cookie. You made those.
Yeah.
Take a bite. What do you think? Are they good?
Ian, come on. Are they good?
Sing up the steps.
Okay. Nope. Stay here. Is your cookie good?